Welcome to the session number 9 from the playlist of JEE Advanced Part 2. And the question which I have taken for this session is written on this board. And this figure was provided along with this question, and this question was asked in the IIT-JEE examination in the year 2012. So the question here is, two large and vertical parallel metal plates separated by 1 centimeter are connected to a DC voltage source. So this is the figure which was provided with this question. So this is the DC source, and these are the two metal plates which are separated by a distance of 1 centimeter. So this is the separation between the two vertical plates. So these two vertical plates are separated by a distance of 1 centimeter. And they are connected to a DC voltage source of potential difference X. A proton is released from rest midway between the two plates as shown in this figure. So this is a proton. So this proton is released from rest midway between these two plates, and it is found to move at 45 degree to the vertical just after the release. So this proton is moving along this direction as indicated by this arrow. So the proton moves at an angle of 45 degree with the vertical when it is released at the midpoint of these two plates. So we have to find the value of X. X means the potential difference across these two plates. So now here this proton is being subjected to two different types of forces. One is the gravitational force, which is acting vertically downward. So the gravitational force is equal to m into g, and it will be subjected to an electrostatic force in this direction. Okay? Because it is a positive charge and the direction of the electrical field is as given by this arrow. Since it is a positive charge, so the electrostatic force, which is equal to Q into E, will be acting in the direction as indicated by this arrow. Now this proton will move at an angle of 45 degree only when the magnitude of this gravitational force and the electrostatic force are equal. So because if these two forces are equal, then definitely the proton will move at an angle of 45 degrees with the vertical. So in this case, the electrostatic force, the magnitude of the electrostatic force has to be equal to the gravitational force. And now we also know that this there is one more formula, that is E is equal to V upon D, where V is the potential difference across these two plates and D is the distance separating them. So we can substitute this value of E is equal to V into D in this equation. So I will be getting the formula as E, Q into E will be equal to V upon D. This is equal to M into G. So from this equation, the value of V is equal to D M G divided by Q. So now simply we have to substitute the value of the mass of the M is the mass of the proton, G is the acceleration due to gravity, which has to be taken as 10 meter per second square, Q is the charge on this proton, and D is the distance which is separating them. So if I substitute these values in this equation, the value of the potential difference, which is given as X in this question, this will be equal to D is equal to 1 centimeter, so in meters it will be 10 to the power minus 2. The mass of the proton is to be taken as 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 27. This was given in this question, and the value of G is to be taken as 10 meter per second square divided by the charge on the proton, which is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So from here, the value of the potential difference across the two vertical parallel metal plates will be equal to this 1.6 will get cancelled out, and I will be getting this as 10 to the power minus 2 minus 27 minus 29 and plus this is 10 to the power 1. So this is equal to 10 to the power minus 28 divided by 10 to the power minus 19, and this is equal to this 19 will come in the numerator, so this it will become 10 to the power this is 10 to the power minus 19. So when it will come in the numerator, it will become plus 19. So the answer is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 volts. So the potential difference across these two vertical parallel metal plates is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 volts. So the correct option is C. So here in this question, the most important thing which needs to be remembered is that this proton will move at an angle of 45 degree only when the electrostatic force and the gravitational force are equal. Okay? And based on this concept, we were able to find the value of the potential difference across these two parallel metal plates which are separated by a distance of 1 centimeter. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, I will be continuing with the same topic, that is the or you can say I will be continuing with the chapter of electric charges and fields, and however the topic will definitely be different from what we have taken up today. So thank you very much again for joining this session, and till then, have a nice day. Bye.